Abanyagitari kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo besokire na kwimurunganya asekire batana oyo mobwa bosabo chenu kurwase dispensary ya Rigoma nigabetega kunirerwa no MCA we ward ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa nabono nigo abanyagitari abuba muganiriye Gisesa we sokya na gusaba okwabera gusonya tari boti bawe cyakogendera gukora emirimo yabo muri kito job manki no roboti urwaso bwime
Comrades power power comrades power power
Umunyagitari oyomo asamarieta Victor Nyamete kurwase dispensary ya Rigoma egotoka ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba nigo akorera obwene bwaye.
He held my shirt, pushed me out of the hospital and told me I should never be seen there again. Considering my security, I had to go.
Eyema eganige kageire niga bakagosererwa na gosererwa no mo MCA ward ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa rijiko lya Jumatatu ekero arenge asegasi ase agotaikirania okuganikwa mo MCA buna okomoa amaliko yemisangerekano bakolire nabana kamati
and they showed up threatening me why I'm not turning up to welcome him to the facility. And on further inquiries about committee meetings, when I informed him that the committee has not yet been gazetted to hold a meeting, he insisted on me to avail the minutes so that he can have a meeting with the committee members who are elected but not yet gazetted.
Bakora una Boniface Kegusu oyore umunyakerogo bekyombegiye kwegerera aba clinical officers Kenya Union of Clinical Officers orosagero Nyamira abarayi bekyombekyo nigo bagikeria egekorekyo
against something which is not right to one of our colleague who is stationed at Rigoma dispensary. But when Victor was going back, he met the MCA, and the MCA now he threatened him. And he told me, he pushed him to the outside of the hospital, and he told him never to come back to the hospital.
Aseba musaba omoteneneri be ward ya Rigoma gosaba amabera goseba chikoira egetambo keryo.
What he knows what will happen to him. We will take the necessary legal actions. We don't fear anybody. But before we proceed, we only need one thing, an apology, and that is it. And our colleague should be escorted. If this honorable member apologizes, he should take time and escort this colleague to the facility and ensure that there is good harmony between him and all the staffs.
Boigombate bamba chigotwara omogiro asenge encho yenganeye atachieti gosaba amabera.
The honorable Nyambega Gisesa must apologize within 24 hours. Failure to do so, all the clinical officers in Nyamira County will not step to the all hospitals in Nyamira County.
Nagosaba bakoli emirimo ase sekta y'obochenu koegwa amasikani ekero bari ase emirimo.
And there is a mischief in what is going to with the committees. What interest does the MCA have with the committees? So what we are appealing, we need our security as clinical officers.
Ensemo y'umuteneneri bwe ward ya Rigoma Nyambega Gisesa ayanaro abwate igoro yenganeye.
Ero monyene kamurigi kamuinform kamoteba ninji ba complain mpaka kibaraza cha koliru mpaka committee nyene yenye kitari ne what the minutes eko complain igoro ni competence yo mo biso ine bintu bi. Namo this is the way you are treating our people na bote tokolega siga namo tinga ngagote tokora bana inchira siga, then you don't deserve go tokolega. At that time moge chugu ostom out of the fight so ali mogenda
kurwase county ya Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.